Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are to discuss about split activity, which is under the formatting group. So basically, what actually the split means, which help us to split the data and put it in a desired format, right? So with the help of several delimiters, we used to split the data. So such as comma, semicolon, space. So these are the several delimiters which has been used to split the data and has to get the particular keyword which you are looking for. So in this particular session, we are going to use this split text activity which play a vital role and restrict us using the expressions. So basically this split text activity which help us to split the text without any expression. So without wasting time, let me quickly jump back to the UiPath Studio and start our today's session. Let me go to the UiPath Studio. So this is the legacy way, right? So which you are using in the previous ways. So if this is particular data, so which is reboot the work. So if you want only to get the data which is reboot, how we are going to do? So we have to call the function which is nothing but split and then variable name and then we have to make the delimiter after that. So you have to mark the position which you needed, right? So this is the previous way which used to do. So how we are going to use this split text activity and avoid this expression now. So let me drag and drop this split text activity. So here we are going to paste this reboot work text as a source text. So after that, so we are going to identify the separator which we are going to use here. So let me make it as space. Perfect. So here you can see in preview, it has been already splitted. Should I reboot the work, right? Perfect, right? So this is the thing which you are going to do in expression. The same thing has been replicated with the help of this split text activity. So we can able to call this using this output variables as well. So we have several delimiters, so which is separated over here. So space, tab, comma, colon, semicolon. So likewise, you can use any of the separator. So in my particular example, so it's space, right? So if you want to use this like a semicolon, so let me take this up. So let me take this comma, comma. So in this you can see, right? Reboot the work. It has been split based upon the comma. So if you want to make it as a colon, so let me make it as here as a colon, colon. Perfect, right? So based upon our separator, so which we have in text, we can able to separate the data without using any expressions. So let me put it in original form. So it's here and then space. Cool, right? So let me try to call this reboot how we are going to do in the legacy way as well. Okay. So let me try to create a control K and then extracted text. So also we have a separate one more variable, so which is first extracted text. This will give a first text which is a 0 position. So you can able to call this particular variable. So if you want a reboot, you can directly go ahead and create a variable and then you can call this particular variable which helps us to give the first word, the only the first word, which is nothing but reboot. If you want to call the word which is nothing but work, so we have to utilize this extracted text variable with the help of position. So this is the difference between this first extracted text and then all extracted text. So let me create a variable here as well. First extracted, control K, perfect. So let me drag and drop two right lines. So let me try to call this first extracted and then extracted. So we have to make the position. So let me go to the variable panel. So here you can see something called as enumerable string, right? So we have to provide this particular position. So we want the position of 3. Perfect. So let me try to comment off the top one. Control D and then Control D. Awesome. So now this particular expression will give both the things, which is reboot as well as the work. So let me save and then debug now. I guess our execution is done. Let me go to the output panel. Reboot is there. Why it's blank? Okay. So I guess we have mentioned the position wrong. So which is 0, 1, 2, right? So we have mentioned 3. That's why it's blank now. So let me try to rerun it now once again. I guess how this is done. Let me go to the output panel. So here we can see the expected output now. So which is reboot and then work. So for reboot, so we have used the first text, first extracted text, right? So for getting this work, so we have used this particular all extracted text. So here what is the difference between these particular two variables? So this first extracted text will always give this first particular letter, so which is reboot. So in our scenario, so for all extracted text you can able to operate any of the data which is splitted, so which is in a enumerable string. I hope this particular video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.